The blueprint for the world of tomorrow is being drawn today. Francis Tuttle's Engineering Academy provides area high school students with the knowledge and resources they need to take part in shaping the future. We offer state-of-the-art facilities that help to realize even the boldest dreams, from chemistry labs to prototyping equipment and so much more. We secured grants to fund research and experimentation with robotics, keeping us on the cutting edge of automation and smart technology. Our instructors are experts in their field and have the experience necessary to get the most out of each student. Seniors even get the opportunity to file for a patent, affording them invaluable first-hand experience in product development. This program is designed for students to treat each other like colleagues, continually learning from one another and drawing inspiration from common interests. Francis Tuttle is a place for bold innovation, for dreamers and problem solvers. This is where students find their purpose and lay the foundation for careers that last a lifetime. Developing the minds that will transform tomorrow is just one example of how Francis Tuttle is shaping Oklahoma's future today.